Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside a page. Create a database. Table inline is fastest. Once created, change the view to calendar immediately so you see dates visually. Make sure the database has a date property. If it doesn't, add one and call it event date or due date. Give the database a clear title so you can spot it later. This gets you into the workflow quickly and prevents chasing settings later when you start adding real entries. Next, define how each calendar entry should behave by adding properties. Select for status, multi-select for tags, person for assignees, and files for attachments. Once done, create filtered calendar views like upcoming, filter date within next 30 days, or by person, filter person contains you. Make templates for recurring events with default properties and pre-filled content so new items are consistent. Finally, adjust sorting and color rules to highlight priority items. This reduces manual upkeep. Complete setup by configuring reminders on the date property, and if required, enable two-way sync with Google Calendar via the integrations or export/import flow. Once done, share the page with teammates and set permissions. Edit for collaborators, comment for reviewers. If entries don't appear, make sure the calendar view is using the correct date property and that no hidden filters are excluding them. Also confirm time zones match across devices. Mismatches often cause items to seem missing or shifted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.